All right, back on the G37 Convertible. Now, I'm making this video. It's going to be real simple. We're working on replacing the studs on the G37 so we can get a little longer length. But I'm making the video because I noticed that also we're in the midst of color change. We're gonna have the video for that soon. I noticed that there wasn't a lot of videos telling you what size this bolt was. You know, I searched the internet and there was some people showing how to remove the hub and everything, but they weren't saying what size the bolt was. Now, this is a 2011 G37S convertible. So I don't know if it would change based on what vehicle you have, what year yours is, but on this one, the hub size, if you go with the OEM tools, is 33 millimeter. And I had to go to AutoZone like twice to find the right one. So for everybody that wanna, remove the hub, 33 millimeters is what you're gonna need to look for.